it's Mariah, and so today I'm going to be making my famous omelets. So, first off, you have to spray some Pam. I love Pam. Now we gotta get some water. And when it sizzles, it's like, that means that it's ready. So these are mama approved eggs. That means that there's no shells in them. So let's get to pouring. I added 3 eggs. You can add as many eggs as you want. So now we have to get our spatula, of course, and we have to see. And when it turns like a little white and it gets all together, then that means that we can have our spatula.
And what is our ingredient for today?
Our ingredient for today is cheese. So I love cheese. We have Mexican style cheese and American cheese. Let's check on our eggs.
You need it. Put your ingredients in now.
Okay. The cheese. So we're gonna add the cheese. So what you have to do is you have to open up. I have three American cheese. I'm gonna pour a little cheese. So I'm gonna open. Okay. Now we're gonna make. If you're me, a cheese lover, you gotta get all around. And my mom has to always take the cheese away from me because I get too over prepared. So we have a spatula. Let's check on the edges. So what you have to do, get all on the edges. If there's any goo on it, go to the other side.
It's still cooking.
Yep. But some sides you have to just get ready because you don't want it to burn. And because you have to let the cheese melt, but not fully, like it has to stay on the So now that we're gonna let it melt, and when you see it like pop, that means that it's kind of ready. But if you see it like a little deflate, that means that it's totally ready. So let's get to cooking. And then so when you flip it, all you have to do is you have to hold the handle with if you're a lefty, then you have to turn it over to that side, and you have to hold it with your right hand, and then you have to get the spatula and pick it up. But if you're a righty, you have to turn it around so your left hand can hold that side, the handle, and then your spatula, you just cook it. But you have to be very careful so you don't burn yourself. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it. It's kind of scary because I flipped it before, but not really.
Just flip it in half.
Yum, yum. Very cheesy. Now, I'm gonna do this. Whoa, that's melting. So when it gets to like a little brown of the edges, that means that it's like a little done, but you don't want it to get very brown. Then that will be bad. Then that means that it's burning. You don't want it to burn. Whoa! Look at that. It looks like a pancake and an omelet combined together. Isn't that great? Let it just sizzle and sizzle, sizzle and sizzle. Okay, look at that. That looks so pretty. but you have to let it sit for just a little bit. Okay? You see that when it gets bubbly? That means like, hey, help me, I'm on the stove. So that means you have to check under it. Look at that. And that's how you make an omelet. And I said it's dry. See you later.